Ever wondered how YouTrip handles your foreign transactions? You know, those exciting overseas adventures where you're swiping your card left and right? Well, today we're diving deep into a crucial question: which currency gets deducted from your YouTrip account when you make a purchase abroad? Now, you might be thinking, isn't it always the local currency? Well, hold on tight, because it's a bit more nuanced than that. YouTrip employs a clever strategy to optimize your spending power and minimize those pesky exchange rate fees. Essentially, YouTrip aims to convert your transaction to the most favorable currency for you. Here's how it generally works. Foreign currency transaction: when you use your YouTrip card overseas, the merchant charges you in the local currency of that country. YouTrip's conversion: YouTrip then converts this local currency into either your base currency. This is the currency your YouTrip account is denominated in, e.g., Singapore dollars, Malaysian ringgit. Another currency: YouTrip might choose to convert the transaction into a different currency if it offers a more advantageous exchange rate at that specific moment. This could be a major currency like USD or Euro. Several factors influence YouTrip's decision on which currency to use for the conversion. Exchange rate fluctuations: YouTrip constantly monitors exchange rates to find the most favorable path for your transaction. Currency availability: conversions are always subject to currency availability and processing capabilities. YouTrip's algorithm: YouTrip utilizes sophisticated algorithms to analyze real-time data and determine the most cost-effective conversion route for each individual transaction. This dynamic conversion strategy offers several key advantages. Potential for lower fees: by converting to the most favorable currency, YouTrip can often minimize the impact of exchange rate fees, saving you money on your overseas spending. Simplified accounting: dealing with a single base currency or a limited number of conversion currencies can simplify your accounting and budgeting. Transparency: YouTrip provides clear transaction details, including the exchange rate applied and the final amount charged to your account, so you can easily track your spending. Real-time fluctuations: remember that exchange rates are constantly changing. The currency used for your conversion and the final amount charged may vary slightly from your initial estimate. Check your statement: always review your YouTrip transaction history for detailed information on each transaction, including the exchange rate and the original currency. So, there you have it. YouTrip employs a dynamic approach to currency conversion, aiming to optimize your spending and minimize fees. While the specific currency used for each transaction may vary, YouTrip's goal is always to provide you with the most favorable exchange rates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.